Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Honor. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on biometrics and password. Then click on lock screen password and tap on change unlock method. Finally, click on the best one for you. I will go with pattern and enter it. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it, and when you're ready, select done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint, you can always do that by choosing add and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though. So now when I click on the home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!